Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. Today we're going to learn what Canvas is in Unity. If you're a beginner, this video is for you. Let's get started. Here we have a canvas. Canvas is one of the most important objects for creating user interfaces. Almost every game uses a canvas. Without it, UI elements cannot be displayed on the screen. Let's create a button. As you can see, the button is automatically placed inside the canvas. Canvas is like a sheet of paper. We put buttons, text, images, sliders, and other UI elements on this sheet. The player sees these elements while playing the game. Now let's add some text. We can also add an image. All these UI elements belong to the canvas. Every game needs a user interface. For example, we can create a health bar, a score counter, a pause menu, or a game over screen. All of these are usually created inside a canvas. Canvas helps us organize and display everything the player needs to see. Now you know what Canvas is and why it's important. Thank you very much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like and subscribe. See you in the next video. Bye.